Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear your search history on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open AOL Mail on your PC or your browser and log into your account. After you have done that, go to the search bar and click on Mail. After you do that, you can see that the recent searches will be over here. To remove or clear the search history, you can click on cross icon over here. So you can see some of your searches over here. So I'm going to teach it to you again. Open AOL Mail on any of your browser and log into your account. Then go to the search bar over here and click on Mail. You can see some of your recent searches over here. Click on the remove icon until you see that the suggestions being shown. So you can see that most of the searches has been deleted. So you can click on reset and you can search for new people now. So it's quite easy. Go to search, go to mail and click on the cross button until all of your searches will be cleared. I hope this video about how you can remove or clear your search history on AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.